my name is Shannon. I am an RN in primary care here at Irwin Army Community Hospital. And we are going to discuss today about our new MHS GENESIS computer program that we are now using here at the hospital. And what goes along with that, of course, is, as we introduced earlier, our new patient portal, which is simply called MHS GENESIS Patient Portal. So what we've already covered in a previous video is how to get your refill prescriptions by sending a message to Irwin Army Community Hospital Pharmacy. This video is going to cover how you send a message to Irwin Army Community Hospital Pharmacy if you have a new prescription that you need to get activated for later pickup at the pharmacy. So examples would be as if you came in to see your PCM and they decided to put you on a new prescription. So they ordered that new prescription at time of appointment, and this is how you're going to communicate with the pharmacy that you need that new prescription activated for later pickup at the pharmacy. So what we're going to do is when you're at your dashboard, this is what you're going to see when you're using your handheld device, your phone handheld device. But do know if you're doing this from a computer, your screen may just look a little bit different than what you're seeing in this video. So the first thing you're going to do, right past the blue bars, you see it says Viewing Health Record for. You may have an option to change which patient you're actually needing to send the message on. So if that's the case, make sure that you're picking the correct patient, and then you're going to pick on that second blue bar, which says Message My Provider. Once that populates, you're now in your inbox of your message center. You'll see that blue box which says Send a Message, and you want to click on that. And this is now going to be a new message. The first field is this message is sent on behalf of, and again, this is where you're going to pick that patient that you're sending that message on. So pick the correct patient. The next field you're going to have is the to box. That's a drop down, and you're going to want to go ahead and type at least 2 or more characters. The trick to this, though, is you have to type in FT period space Riley space pharmacy. Another shortcut you could do is you could just type in the word Riley space pharmacy, and that will get it to populate for your message to go to Irwin Army Community Hospital Pharmacy. So on this video, I'm just going to type in Riley Pharmacy, and you can see it gives me the option below of Fort Riley Pharmacy. I'm going to choose that option. The next field is your subject, and what we'll want to say here is I would say activate new prescription or new prescription. So we'll go ahead and just write new prescription. And then the box below is just a narrative box for you to type in your text. So in this situation, I would say I saw, and we'll just pick a PCM. We'll say I saw my PCM Adams today in the clinic. And she ordered 2 prescriptions for me. And I'm just going to, you don't need to necessarily say exactly what the prescriptions are. That's going to be very helpful if you can, because that's kind of a double check with pharmacy. But we can just say it was an acne medication and a blood pressure pill. Then the important thing you're going to want to say to pharmacy is where you're going to pick that up. So your only options for a new prescription are going to be an in-person visit. So that would only be able to be the Irwin Army Community Hospital Pharmacy. You cannot pick that up at the script center. So on these messages, you do need to say which in-person pharmacy you're going to pick that up as. So we'll say pick up at IACH Pharmacy. All right, so you have now completed your message. You're ready to hit that blue send message. Just as an extra added thing in your message, I would also put your phone number in there, but do know their preferred method of contact for you is going to be through Patient Portal. So you should receive a message back from them confirming Yes, they have those prescriptions and what your date and time will be available for pickup.